Hello people, how are you all? Success is not only about doing big things, but it is also about doing small things in a right way. And how about having tips and tricks to do those small things efficiently? Here I am giving you 25 tips under 4 minutes in the kitchen, employing which your life will be much easier. While you are cooking any gravy or sabji, always dilute the gravy with hot water and not with cold water. This will keep the texture, color and the taste of the gravy intact. While preparing bhindi, just add a small piece of tamarind or dry kokum to avoid the bhindi to turn sticky. To remove the odor from the fridge, just keep a small piece of coal in the fridge. That will absorb all the smell. To avoid tears while cutting onions, this is specially for the newbies trying out cooking. You have to put the onions into the water for 10 minutes before and then cut it. To remove the black stains from the vessels, just boil the water with lemon peels in that vessel for some time. Recently we had a case in our house. In the kettle bottom was black in color and my mother was wondering how to clean it, and when we added some lemon peels in the kettle and boiled it, it was very clean. While using colocasia leaves, apply tamarind on your hand or else your hand would start itching. Add few drops of oil to the rice while cooking it to prevent it from becoming sticky. While boiling potatoes or eggs, add a pinch of salt in the water. This will help to peel off the skin easily. To separate each string of noodles or thin pasta, run it under cold water after draining the water. If you forget to soak chickpeas or kala chana or any legume, just soak it for 1 hour in hot water and then you can boil it. The result may not be as good, but it is almost an instant solution. To avoid worms in the rice storage container, add few dry red chilies and unpeeled garlic cloves in it. It will address the pest issue. While adding curd to any gravy, make sure that you beat it properly, otherwise it will start curdling. How to remove pungency of mustard oil? Before using the mustard oil for preparing vegetables, heat it to a point where the light smoke comes out of it. That would be good to remove the smell from the mustard oil. To reduce the amount of oil being absorbed by the food when it is fried, add a pinch of salt to the oil before frying. To avoid oxidization of the apples, put them in salt water. Onions and potatoes should never be kept together as both release moisture and this can lead to faster spoiling. While preparing curry, add salt and pinch of sugar to chopped onions and tomatoes to soften them both. The curry blends well that way. While preparing chutney, if you are using frozen grated coconut, then grind it using warm water or else your chutney will not be homogeneous. While preparing rasam, for seasoning, put curry leaves along with the stem because that holds the taste of the whole dish together. If the beetroot becomes soft after a few days, just put it in the water for some time, that becomes hard again. While making the yam dishes, cut the yam and soak the pieces in tamarind extract or buttermilk to avoid itching after eating it. Chopping of dry fruits. Freeze them first for 1 hour and then dip the knife into the hot water before cutting them. You can cut them almost like butter. While boiling milk, always add a little water at the base of the vessel to avoid milk from sticking at the bottom. Tomato, if kept in hot water for 5 minutes and then in cold water, we can peel off the skin easily. When you are sprouting the grains, let the length of the sprout be maximum 2 to 3 times bigger than the grain. Otherwise, there is a risk of bacteria or the nutrients may decline. I hope you like them all. Keep it tuned and like the video. Thank you.